Hello guys, welcome to my channel NetCast on WebTech Zone. In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create email list in Gmail. So you can create email list in Gmail to send emails or message at once. So let's start with the video. I'm going to show you my desktop, but if you're using laptop or iOS or Android phone, you can follow the same step. So let's start with the video. Before we start, I'm requesting you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below, guys. If you really like this video, please subscribe me. If you subscribe me, I will motivate and create good content for you. So let's start with the video. So this is my Gmail account, okay, and here I want to create the email list. So guys, for email list you have to create label first. So first we need to go in contacts. So yeah, log in with the Gmail ID and go this dot option and click on contacts option. You can see here just contact option, it will be bring you the next the contacts application. The contacts are another application from Google, okay. So now you have to create labels, okay, labels or folder to create groups or to create email list in Gmail. I just create labels like email list and just save it, okay. Now you have to go in contacts and select contacts which you want to add on this email list. I just select all contacts and go on this manage labels and select email list, untick it and just apply it. So in my email list I got four email list, okay. Now go to the email Gmail back and compose mail and you can type here email list. So you can see the email list group has come here, and it if you click it, all email will be appear here. Also other way, you can click on this icon like BBC or Tutu, just click on BBC and find here like group list name email list. Select, you can select all mails from this list, or you can untick if you want to untick any email, so you can untick it and just insert it, okay. So that is how you can create email list in Gmail. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.